When you're AutoNation, the difference between simply selling a car and creating a happy, loyal customer is based on the ease and service you're able to deliver at every point in their experience. And that takes a high-performance network.
AutoNation.com is our digital platform. It is the key to a lot of the leads that we get through the system, and especially in a COVID world. The ability to go online, pick out your car, finance it, pick out your extras, and we deliver this car to your door without you ever stepping foot in the dealership is where we're headed.
To continue to move fast and innovate, AutoNation needed to transform their network, knowing legacy technology simply couldn't keep pace.
It's an expensive network and it doesn't scale well. It also wasn't going to give us the network we needed to bring the company to the things we want to do tomorrow.
So AutoNation made the switch to Palo Alto Network's Prisma SD-WAN, giving them the speed of cloud delivery, the confidence of Layer 7 visibility, and turnkey deployment so business could stay on track.
Stores closed one night under legacy architecture and they opened the next morning as a Palo Alto SD-WAN shop. We've saved approximately $3 million a year in OpEx when we're fully deployed in 2021. And this goes directly to the bottom line of the stores.
Palo Alto Network's Prisma SD-WAN hasn't only increased AutoNation's bandwidth and bottom line, it's a solution they'll rely on to support their business and customer relationships on the road ahead. Palo Alto Networks. Secure today for a better tomorrow.